Nature provides us with energy and peaceful environment to cultivate both mind and body. This Qigong exercise combines Chinese Kung Fu, or we call Wushu, with traditional Qigong breathing techniques, enhancing not only lower body strength but also overall mobility. Through dynamic breathing, the practice expands lung capacity, oxygenates the body, and supports vital organs such as the kidneys and the liver. Additionally, it promotes circulation, aiding in muscle recovery and overall vitality. Next time you exercise, try going outside where you have trees, plants, water, wildlife, or mountains. You will notice an improvement in your overall well being, leaving you with a deep sense of peace and contentment. Please share with anyone you think can benefit from this.